Did you know that your morning cup of coffee might be doing more than just waking you up? Coffee, one of the world's most cherished beverages, is brimming with surprising health benefits that could significantly enhance your well-being. In this special feature, we delve into the hidden virtues of coffee, revealing how this everyday elixir can positively impact your health in ways you might not expect. Let's embark on a journey into the world of coffee and uncover the secret perks behind each sip. Number 1. Coffee's heart connection. Recent research suggests that coffee may be a heart's best friend. Studies indicate that regular coffee drinkers have a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart failure. The magic seems to lie in coffee's ability to improve vascular resistance and reduce inflammation, making it easier for your heart to pump blood. Additionally, the antioxidants in coffee, such as polyphenols, help protect your arteries from damage. This means that enjoying a few cups of coffee each day could keep your heart beating happily and healthily. However, it's crucial to consume it in moderation to avoid potential side effects associated with excessive caffeine intake. Number 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Did you realize that coffee is a major source of antioxidants? That's right, your daily Java is loaded with compounds that fight off oxidative stress, protecting your cells from damage. Coffee's antioxidants, like chlorogenic acid, are heroes when it comes to neutralizing free radicals, the harmful byproducts of metabolism that can lead to chronic diseases. By incorporating coffee into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious beverage, but also helping your body defend itself against conditions like cancer and heart disease. It's a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake, essential for maintaining good health. Number 3. Coffee and liver health. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Your beverage of choice may be safeguarding your liver. Studies have consistently shown that coffee consumption is linked to lower levels of liver enzymes, indicators of inflammation and damage. Whether you prefer it black or with milk, drinking coffee can significantly reduce your risk of liver diseases, including cirrhosis and liver cancer. The protective effects are thought to be due to coffee's ability to prevent the buildup of fat and collagen, two of the main markers of liver disease. So go ahead and pour another cup, knowing it's doing good for your liver. Number 4. Coffee's impact on type 2 diabetes. Here's a sweetener for your coffee. It might lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Research reveals that each daily cup of coffee is associated with a 7% reduced risk of this prevalent chronic condition. The compounds in coffee help enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable drink for diabetes prevention. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of coffee contribute to these protective effects. So while you savor the rich flavors of your morning brew, you might also be contributing to a healthier blood sugar profile. Number 5. Mental health benefits. Sipping on coffee may also brighten your mood and protect your mind. Numerous studies link regular coffee consumption with a decreased risk of depression and a reduced incidence of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Caffeine appears to boost neurotransmitter levels, including those responsible for mood regulation, such as dopamine and serotonin. This neurological enhancement not only lifts your spirits but also sharpens your cognitive functions, potentially warding off age-related mental decline. Grabbing a cup of coffee could be one of the easiest ways to enhance your mental health day by day. Number 6. Coffee and physical performance. Coffee is not just a mental stimulant, but also a physical one. The caffeine in your coffee acts as a powerful ergogenic aid, enhancing physical performance by increasing adrenaline levels and releasing fatty acids stored in fat tissues. This makes it an excellent beverage for athletes and those needing a boost during physical activities. By improving your endurance and reducing your perception of effort, coffee can help you achieve more in your workouts and sports activities. Whether you're looking to beat your personal best or just get through a busy day, coffee can give you the edge you need. Number 7. Potential longevity benefits. Imagine drinking your way to a longer life. Coffee might just be your potion for longevity. Epidemiological studies suggest that coffee drinkers may have a lower risk of premature death thanks to coffee's rich array of health-promoting substances. This includes its role in enhancing liver health, protecting against heart disease, reducing the incidence of certain cancers, and more. While it's not a magic elixir, adding a few cups of coffee to your daily routine could potentially add years to your life, all while enjoying the warmth and comfort of this popular beverage. Number 8. Metabolic advantages. Coffee isn't just a wake-up call, it's a metabolic enhancer. Regular coffee consumption has been shown to increase metabolic rate by up to 11%. This is primarily due to caffeine, which boosts the body's ability to burn fat, even while at rest. This makes coffee a useful ally in weight management strategies. Additionally, the stimulatory effect of caffeine on the central nervous system raises energy levels and calorie burning, which can lead to better body composition outcomes. So, your morning cup not only energizes you but may also help you maintain a healthy weight by giving your metabolism a welcome boost. Number 9. The link between coffee and Parkinson's disease. Your daily coffee may also play a role in neurological health, specifically in the prevention of Parkinson's disease. Studies have demonstrated that caffeine, which coffee is rich in, can significantly reduce the risk of developing Parkinson's. This neuroprotective effect is thought to be linked to caffeine's ability to enhance brain function and protect neurons from toxic substances that could lead to this condition. Furthermore, coffee consumption has been associated with improved motor control in people with Parkinson's, providing a potential therapeutic benefit. This gives new meaning to the phrase "a cup of hope." Number 10. Protection against gallstones. Interestingly, drinking coffee can also contribute to the health of your gallbladder. Research indicates that regular coffee consumption reduces the risk of gallstone formation. Caffeine stimulates gallbladder contraction and reduces the cholesterol content in bile, which are two factors involved in gallstone formation. By including coffee in your routine, you might not only enjoy its rich taste, but also contribute to the health of your gallbladder, preventing the painful condition of gallstones. It's another compelling reason to keep savoring your favorite brew. Number 11. Coffee and genetic makeup. The effects of coffee are not one size fits all, largely due to genetic differences in how we metabolize caffeine. Some people are fast metabolizers, which means they can handle more coffee with fewer side effects, while slow metabolizers might experience jitters and insomnia, even small amounts. Understanding your genetic makeup can help you tailor your coffee consumption to match your body's response, optimizing both the health benefits and your enjoyment of the drink. Number 12. Coffee and dental health. Your morning brew could be protecting your smile too. Coffee has been found to possess antibacterial properties against some microorganisms, including those that cause dental cavities. While coffee can stain teeth, its benefits may include a reduction in dental plaque and protection against gum disease. To counteract the staining, regular dental hygiene practices such as brushing and occasional professional cleaning can keep your teeth bright and healthy. Thus, coffee not only boosts your energy but might also contribute to your dental health. The dark side of coffee. Potential risks. However, it's crucial to consider coffee's potential downsides. For some individuals, excessive coffee consumption can lead to increased heart rate, anxiety, and digestive issues. Additionally, pregnant women are advised to limit their caffeine intake due to potential impacts on fetal development. As with many things, benefits one person may not suit another, so it's essential to consume coffee in a way that feels right for you. Thanks for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the health benefits of coffee. As we've seen, coffee isn't just a beloved morning ritual. It's a complex beverage with a wide range of health implications. Whether it's protecting against chronic diseases, enhancing physical performance, or boosting your metabolism, coffee has something to offer everyone. Remember to enjoy it responsibly and listen to your body to maximize these benefits. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pure Well for more insightful health tips. Stay healthy and keep sipping wisely.